The upcoming boom in the resource sector brings many opportunities to profit. Stay informed by visiting and subscribing to juniorgoldreport.com.
Jared, how is MGX taking advantage of this opportunity?
Well, we saw an opportunity about a year ago in the lithium space, based on these fundamentals that we were just discussing, to speed up the lithium process, really taking advantage of a lithium brine, which is the wastewater or brine water that comes from oil and gas production in the case of where we're focusing, but also exists in quantities in South America and in other places where you've had salt lakes concentrate, oceans, inland oceans concentrate. In our case, we really looked at the opportunity within the oil and gas space. Oil and gas is directly correlated with this brine or salt water, and in many places there's lithium within this water. So the first step really was to source the brine. The second step really focusing on rapid extraction. Conventional brine technology is exclusively based on solar evaporation. What this means is literally waiting for the paint to dry. So massive lake-sized ponds, evaporation ponds, and waiting up to 2 years for the water to evaporate, concentrate, and then taking this concentration and using a conventional process. So as you can see, there were really two opportunities within the lithium space we saw. One is with rapid evaporation. The other was leveraging existing oil and gas infrastructure to draw the brine.
Why MGX and why MGX now? Why was it the right company for you?
Well, I was absolutely fascinated with the idea of being able to extract other minerals outside oil and gas, which I'm very familiar with, out of what is the other component in producing oil and gas. It's water, okay? In most cases, water production over the life of the wells or the fields continues to go up. So when I found out that MGX had a process to be able to take lithium and other minerals out of the water, I was really intrigued. Okay, and looking at what's happening with the other lithium cars and everything else, I really felt like it's going to be a brand new industry. I was fascinated by the fact that MGX seemed to have all of the oil and gas lithium scores in Alberta essentially tied up. That's really when I decided to join MGX.
The upcoming boom in the resource sector brings many opportunities to profit. Stay informed by visiting and subscribing to juniorgoldreport.com.